If 20 CR equal to 20 CR minus 10, then find 18 CR. Here 20 factorial, 20 minus r factorial equal to 20 factorial, 20 minus r plus 10 factorial or minus 10 factorial. So this cancel out. All factorial will be cancelled. So 1 upon 20 minus r into r equal to 1 upon 30 minus r minus 10. Cross multiply 30 minus r minus 10 equal to 20 minus r into r. So 30r minus r square minus 300 plus 10r equal to 20r minus r square. Minus r square cancel out. So 30r, 10r, 40r minus 300 equal to 20r. Transfer 40r minus 20r equal to 300. So 20r equal to 300. Value of r 300 by 20. So r value 15. So 18 CR. So 18 C 15. Here 18 factorial, 18 minus 15 factorial, 15 factorial. So 18, 17, 16 upon 15 factorial upon 3 factorial into 15 factorial. This is cancel out. So 18, 17, 16 upon 3 to 1, 3 6 ja 18, 2 3 ja 6, 51 into 16, 16 1 ja 16, 16 5 ja 80, 81, 816 is the answer of this question. If 20 CR plus 1 equal to 20 CR minus 1, find R. Here 20 factorial upon 20 minus r minus 1 factorial, r plus 1 factorial equal to 20 factorial, 20 minus r plus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial. This cancel out. So 1 upon 19 minus r factorial, r plus 1 factorial equal to 21 minus r factorial, r minus 1 factorial. So 19 minus r factorial, r plus 1, here r minus 1 factorial equal to 21 minus r, 20 minus r, 19 minus r factorial, r minus 1 factorial. This cancel. 19 minus r factorial, 19 minus r factorial cancel. So 1 upon r plus 1 into r equal to 1 upon 21 minus r, 20 minus r. cross multiply 21 minus r, 20 minus r equal to r plus 1 into r. 20 1 ja 20, 22 are 40, 42 minus 20r minus 21r plus r square equal to r square plus r. This cancel, so 420 minus 41r minus r equal to 0. 420 minus 40 r equal to 0. So 420 equal to 40 r, 0 0 cut. So our value of r 42 upon 4 1 by 2. There are 12 points in a plane. In a plane. The number of straight line joining any two of them. Any one line make meeting by 2 points. So 12 points in a plane, none two are more than 2 points are collinear. So number of line equal to 12C2. So 12 factorial, 12 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 12, 11, 10 factorial upon 10 factorial, 2 into 1 factorial. This is cancel out, 2 6 ja. So 66 line in the plane. A person entry in a room, 5 seats are vacant. In how many ways? How many 3 person seated in a room, 5 seats are vacant. These 5 seats are vacant. 3 person enter the room. By first person, any one seat observed. So seating plan of first person may be 5. One seat is filled up by a person, then 4 seats are vacant. So next person 4 seats and other next person 3 seats. So 5 4 are 20, 3 are 60 method of seating arrangement 3 person in 5 seats. There are 10 points in a plane. 4 points are collinear. Therefore, how many line make 10 point in a plane, then required number of line making by 10 point 10C2. 4 point are collinear, so 4 point make line 4C2. They are collinear, So required number applied 10C2 minus 4C2 plus 1. So 10 factorial, 10 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial minus 4 factorial, 4 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial plus 1. So 10, 9, 8 factorial upon 8 factorial into 2 factorial, 4, 3, 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial plus 1. So this cancel out. 2 factorial means 2, 2 50 are 10. 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancel out. 2 factorial, 2 to the 4. So 45 minus 6 plus 1. So 45 minus 5 equal 40 line made by 10 point 4 point are collinear. Find value 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4 plus 5C5. Here this question, we know that NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Here 5C5, 5C4, 5C3, 5C2, 5C1. This NCR, here NCR minus 1. So this 5C5, here 5C5 minus 1. Here 5C3, here 5C3 minus 1, here 5C1. So NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. So 5N plus 1 CR, here N plus 1 CR, here this. Here 6C5, 6C3, 5C1. Value 6 factorial, 6 minus 1 factorial, 6 minus 5 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 6 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial. Here 6 into 5 factorial upon 1 factorial into 5 factorial, 6, 5, 4, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, here 3 factorial break out, 3, 2, 1. Here 5 into 4 factorial, 4 factorial into 1 factorial. This cancel. Here this cancel, 3 2 is 6, cancel. Here 4 factorial cancel. Value of this 6, 5 4 is 20. Here 5, here required value 31. Required value 31 of this question.